Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best fingertip blood oxygen monitor you can get for under $10, the AILE Pulse Oximeter. Compact, precise, and budget-friendly, this little device packs a serious punch when it comes to health monitoring. If you've been looking for a reliable pulse oximeter, whether you're an athlete, a frequent flyer, or simply health-conscious, stick around because this device may be exactly what you need. Let's start with what you see right out of the box. The AILE Pulse Oximeter ships with everything you need to get started. You'll get the oximeter unit itself, 2 AAA batteries included, a user manual, and even a handy lanyard so you can carry it around your neck or attach it to a bag. It's ready to go straight out of the box. No additional purchases, no complicated setup. Using it couldn't be easier. With just one button, you power it on and place your fingertip inside. Within 5 to 10 seconds, the readings appear clearly on its vibrant 4-color LED screen. That screen isn't just bright, it's sharp and readable from multiple angles and lighting conditions, making it especially useful for seniors or when you're on the move. Now, let's talk accuracy. The AILE Pulse Oximeter uses advanced sensor technology to deliver reliable readings for both SpO2, that's your blood oxygen saturation, and your pulse rate. The SpO2 measurement range is from 35 to 99%, and pulse rate tracking goes from 25 to 250 beats per minute. These ranges ensure that the device remains useful across a wide range of situations, whether you're at rest, during physical activity, or managing a health condition. A standout feature is its efficiency. With up to 40 hours of use on a single set of batteries, the AILE oximeter is one of the most power-efficient models in this category. Plus, it includes an automatic shut-off feature that turns the device off after 10 seconds of inactivity, helping you save even more battery life. Its design also deserves a shout-out. The unit is lightweight and compact, it fits easily into your pocket or even the smallest section of your gym bag. And with the included lanyard, it's easy to keep close during hiking, workouts, or travel. Whether you're an athlete needing quick reads during training, or you're monitoring oxygen levels at altitude or for a medical condition, the portability makes a big difference. While this device is great for athletic use, travelers, and general home health monitoring, it is not a medical diagnostic tool. It's best used as a supplementary device to stay aware of your vitals and share that data with your healthcare provider when needed. Priced currently at just $9.58 on Amazon, and marked as an Amazon's Choice product with hundreds of recent purchases, this model clearly resonates with buyers looking for quality and affordability. For those ordering from outside the US, like India, Amazon does ship internationally, though you should factor in import and shipping fees. To sum it all up, the AILE Pulse Oximeter is a well-rounded, reliable, and highly portable tool. It combines ease of use, accurate readings, and power efficiency in a design that's as practical as it is affordable. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on reviews. See you in the next video.